Hello friends, this is Monica. Today I will introduce the difference between Cypcut and Raytools control system and cutting head. Many customers will confused when they choose a configuration, and we are also cautious when we recommend the configurations to customers. So now I will introduce the difference between Cypcut and Raytools. First of all, Bozi is a very good brand of laser cutting head. There are so many sensor systems inside of the cutting head. For example, when the proactive lens is dirty, the cutting head will heat up. If you continue to use it, it is easy to burn the proactive lens, the cutting head, and even the laser generator. The sensor system inside the Bozi cutting head will detect the abnormal temperature inside the gun head. After the detection is completed, the system and the single light above will alarm. At this time, the worker will replace the proactive lens in time when he finds the alarm, which will effectively prevent the laser generator from going out. The inside of Raytools is just a cavity for the proactive lens and focusing lens. There are not so many sensor systems, so there will be no alarm when the lens is dirty. However, if our machine operator is professional enough, he will find it in time according to the effect of the machine cutting, so as to avoid the laser generator from blowing out. In summary, if your operator is not very professional, Cypcut and Bozi is a more suitable choice for you. But if you have a very professional operator, so the Raytools control system and cutting heads is a most effective choice for you. Okay, if you think the Monica's talk is helpful, please give me a like and follow us. I will share with you more information about laser industry. Okay, this is Monica. Have a good time. Bye bye.